How to open the hood of a car. Dongfeng Box? So to begin the process, we start by carefully opening up the main front door located on the driver's side of the vehicle. We need to look for a lever to open it. It's located on the left side and shows a car with the hood open. We need to pull it towards us. We should hear the characteristic sound of the car's hood opening. We go to the front. Here we can see that our hood is already slightly lifted. Let's take a look at this. Let's increase the angle here a bit more. We can see that the hood is slightly lifted, but we can't open it completely. We need to find one more safety latch. It is located on the right side of the badge, somewhere around here. We need to reach in quite deep with our hand and pull to the left, like a lever. Good. And here we can already secure the hood using this. Here is the rod, this safety support. We can insert it here. Okay. As you can see, the hood is secured. At this point, we can safely take a few steps away from the vehicle, and then if we decide that we want to close it back up again, we will simply need to remove this specific support piece. Put it back in its place, which is here. And we can close the engine hood. We don't need to do it forcefully. We can do it gently, or we can lift it up a bit and close it with a moderate push to make sure the hood is properly shut. Thank you for your attention.